Welcome back to Sri Lanka Sanchare. Today, we bring you right into the heart of Sri Lanka's hill country, to one of Ella's most vibrant and scenic stays. Welcome to Alta Vista Ella. As you step into Alta Vista, the energy of Ella comes alive, with warm hospitality and a cozy environment. This is a stay that feels both welcoming and refreshing. Alta Vista is known for its breathtaking views, comfortable rooms, and easy access to Ella's most popular attractions. Let's take a look inside. The rooms here are simple, modern, and designed to let the beauty of Ella shine right through your windows. Whether you're waking up at sunrise or relaxing after a day of exploring, the views from your balcony will leave you spellbound. And this is the best part: your own private balcony, with a stunning view of Ella's lush valleys and mist-covered hills. This is the perfect spot for your morning coffee or a quiet evening watching the sunset. Alta Vista has its own restaurant with delicious meals and fresh local flavors. Their Sri Lankan breakfast is a must-try, with the cool Ella breeze and stunning mountain backdrop. Every meal here becomes an experience. One of the major advantages of staying at Alta Vista is the location. You're just minutes away from all of Ella's top attractions. Whether you're hiking Little Adams Peak, visiting the famous Nine Arches Bridge, or enjoying a relaxing walk through the tea plantations, everything is close and convenient. Alta Vista perfectly blends relaxation with a lively atmosphere. You get peace, comfort, and a chance to enjoy Ella's vibrant vibe all in one place. As night falls, the cool mountain air and gentle lights make the entire place feel magical. Alta Vista Ella is more than just a stay. It's a perfect base to explore Ella, relax, and create memories in Sri Lanka's beautiful hill country. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sri Lanka Sanchare for more travel adventures across Sri Lanka. Until next time, Ayu Bawan.